people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the First Progress Secure credit cards. Now, I made a video about these credit cards before, but I want to make a newer video where I go into greater details and I give you guys other options because some people didn't like these credit cards and I kind of like some of the fees on these credit cards either. So I wanted to talk to you guys about this credit card and give you guys other options on other credit cards that you guys can apply for. If you guys have not watched any of my videos, my name is Rickita. I always talk about credit. I always talk about real estate sometimes too. I haven't been talking much about real estate, but I am a real estate broker, so I can help you guys purchase a home if that's what you're interested in. But I've been focusing more on helping people get whatever they want, whether it's going to be a house, a car, credit cards, or whatever that is. So if you guys ever have any questions, make sure you guys drop it down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer your questions for you. Now, let's go ahead and look at these First Progress credit cards because these credit cards right here, they don't have a credit check, so you guys should be able to get approved for it without worrying about getting denied. And then also I want you guys to look at the different fees that they have, just in case you guys want to get a secure credit card. You guys look at these fees, and then I want you guys to look at the other credit cards and their fees to determine which one will be best for you. Now, here's the First Progress credit cards here. Now, they have 3 different First Progress credit cards you guys can get, and the one I really like the most is this one because of the annual fee. To me, I don't care about the low APR because I'm not thinking about keeping a balance on these credit cards. Or if I do have a balance, I'm going to pay it off in full. I'm going to pay whatever my statement balance off in full by my due date. So I'm not worried about having any type of fees like APR fees. But the annual fee, you getting that regardless. So I like this one the most because they have a $29 annual fee. But you can see too, the lower your interest rate is going to get, the higher your annual fee is going to be. So they have 3 different ones that you guys can check out. They have different reviews on these credit cards. You guys can read the reviews if that's something that you're interested in. But they're basically secure credit cards. They're not going to do a credit check, so you don't have to worry about your credit history or anything like that. No minimum credit score required for approval. So if you guys had a bankruptcy in the past and you guys looking to get a credit card and you guys can't get like credit cards with Navy Federal, Discover, Capital One, then definitely look into getting a secure credit card with them because this may be one of the cards that you just need to get. Apply for it, put your deposit down, and let them report to the credit bureaus and start building your credit score. Now, like I said too, these credit cards right here, they do have an annual fee. I do want you to keep in mind that you want to get a credit card that can possibly graduate. If you guys get a credit card that won't graduate, that means that when you guys have this credit card and you're like, okay, I want to start having regular credit cards, when you get those regular credit cards, unsecured lines, you're going to want to close these. And you can't get your money back until you close them. You can't just get your money back just from having good history with them. You have to close this credit card to get your money back. And that's something I really don't like. I don't like that you have to close the account. Now, again, too, it's accepted nationwide. So if you're in the United States, you can go ahead and use it. No credit history required. So even if you have very, very bad credit, it does not matter. No minimum credit score required. They probably do a soft pull just to verify your identity, but you should be able to get this credit card without a problem at all. All you have to do is go ahead and click on apply now. And again, I like the lower annual fees, you guys. Make sure you guys are paying your full statement balance by the due date so you guys are not getting charged any additional fees. Now, when you guys are filling out this application, what they're going to want is they're going to want your first and last name and your email address. They're going to talk to you guys about like the different things that's going on with the card, you know, the different fees and things like that. And let's actually look deeper into any additional fees that they may have. So they do have a cash advance fee of $10 or 3%, whichever one is greater. Foreign transaction fee. So if you guys are out of the country, that you can use your credit card wherever MasterCard is accepted outside the country, but they are going to charge you a 3% transaction fee. If you guys are late, they're going to charge you $41, and they do have a $30 return payment fee. Make sure you guys read all of this information, even though I know a lot of us don't. And I said us because sometimes I don't even read all of the things that they're talking about, but make sure you guys read all of this information to know more details on this credit card. And then you guys can go ahead and click next, and then they're going to go into like the regular details about this credit card. Now, usually they're going to take the money off of a debit card or out of your account. I'm not sure exactly how they're going to take the money out of your account for this card, but like I said too, there's other credit cards that you guys may want to look into getting, especially if you want to get a secure credit card like that. Now, their secure credit card is a $29 fee, annual fee. If you guys get the Self Visa card, I really like Self, because personally my credit score went up 155 points just from having that Self account. I didn't have the Self Visa card, I just had the installment account, just the basic $48 installment account. If you guys like that first progress card, definitely look into getting that self card, that self account, their installment account. And then after 3 months of having that and having $100 in your account, you guys can get that Self Visa card. So this is going to be a secure credit card. I don't see people rent cars with this credit card. So it's definitely a good credit card you guys want to look into. It is a Visa credit card. They do have an annual fee of $25. And as you keep paying into your installment account, because with my installment account, I paid $48 per month and I paid that for a year. When you guys do like that same account or other accounts, as you continue to pay into those accounts, they're going to put that money into your Visa card. So yes, you may start off with $100 secure credit card, but your credit score, is going to go up, and then as you keep paying, your deposit is going to go up also on your Visa card, so your limit will be higher. So definitely look into getting that Self Visa card. The credit builder card is another great one. With the credit builder card, you guys, they're going to report in as little as 2 weeks. So usually before you can get the credit card, before you can get the user credit card, they're going to report to the credit bureaus, with something I really like. You're allowed to have 2 of them. It's no credit check required at all to get this one. So definitely look into getting the credit builder card. I really like this one because, like I said too, they're going to report before you can get the credit card a lot of times, and you're allowed to have 2 of them. Definitely look into getting that kickoff account if you look into getting that first progress card. And all of these credit cards that I'm going through is on my website, rickita.com/the best credit cards to build credit. All of these credit cards are actually there, so you guys can check out these different credit cards there. But the kickoff account, they have different ones. They got a new credit card that you guys can check out. The kickoff secure card. So they have that one there. Then they also have an installment account that you guys can pay $10 per month for 12 months. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. That's another one that you guys can check out. And they also have account where they can report a $750 account onto your credit reports. So definitely check out that kickoff account. And with that $750 that they report, is report like it's a credit card, and you pay $5 per month. But to me, that's like paying $60 per year. There's probably other options other than doing that account. But I do like their installment account, and their card, I haven't really seen too much on that card. So definitely find more reviews on that card as more people start leaving comments about it. I think I did a video about it, but definitely check out the other reviews. Now, if you like that first progress, definitely try to get the Discover is secure first. Try to pre-qualify for these before you get the first progress. The Discover is secured. Also try to pre-qualify for the N rewards, and last but not least, the Capital One Platinum secure credit card. When you guys pre-qualify for these credit cards, they'll let you know whether or not they can give you this credit card without give you that hard inquiry. And if they can, go ahead and take it, because I really like those credit cards because they're going to graduate into regular credit cards. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like that first progress card, please try to get other credit cards that's going to graduate to unsecured credit cards, and they can give your deposit back. If you guys get a credit card like that first progress credit card, for you guys to get your money back, you have to close that account. And I don't like that you guys have to close that account, and I don't like that they don't graduate. But make sure you guys also check out my 60 points in 60 days. That's where I teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. I am starting a new group, a new batch, because I do it all in groups. I am starting a new batch next year. It's December, but I'm starting a new batch next month. So definitely check that out, where everybody can be able to sign up and you'll be the new group. I didn't know if I was going to do a new group, but I'm going to start that new group because I like how this group went. I don't feel like people participated like they should have participated, but I still see the results. So you don't have to show up. I'm still helping do the work behind the scenes with you all. You guys still do your work. I still see the results are there. So make sure you guys join so you guys can get that more one-on-one help or group help too also, so you guys can increase your credit score. But hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I would definitely see you guys in the next video. Leave me a comment if you guys have any questions. Bye-bye.